Create own website free is easy thanks to this simple tool. With this beginner-friendly DIY website building software, anyone can create their own website 100% for free in 2022. Forget about having to learn how to create your own website. This website builder software for beginners does it all for you. Create free websites about anything you imagine with no coding skills necessary. Create own website free for your business ideas, blog, online store, or just to have fun. Start creating your own website today. How to create own website free in 2022. Click here to start creating own website free without a credit card. Many people believe they need to pay to make their own website, but it's totally possible to create a website for free using the latest website building software. You will actually own the free website you create and can keep it forever. Create own website free today using the free website creating platform. The truth is, you do not need to pay for WordPress, GoDaddy, Wix, Squarespace, Namecheap, ClickFunnels, Leadpages, or any other website building software to make your own website. Free websites are available to anyone and are extremely easy to use, even for beginners who have never made a website before. The best part of these free websites is that they are actually hosted by the leading web hosting companies, so you don't have to worry about your free website getting taken down due to your lack of experience creating a website. You can easily sell your creations as 100% fully functional websites by using the latest in automation software, Groov Funnels, which will allow you to create great-looking sites without ever coding again. Create own website free software. Forget about spending hours learning how to create your own website for free. Now, software can create your own website for you in a matter of minutes. If you can create a Facebook page, you can easily use this software to build and publish your own website. Since there is no cost, you won't even need a credit card to publish your own website using this tool. The best part is, it comes with a lot more than a website builder. You also get lifetime access to some of the world's most powerful tools, like email automation, online store builder, online course builder, and many other tools you can use to monetize your own free website. Create a free website today using the instructions below. Create a website for yourself, your friends and family, or create a marketplace websites to sell your own digital downloads. Whatever you want to do, create own website free is the best option. Create own website free tools. When it comes time to create your own website, you will need a few free tools. Click here to grab them. These free website building tools will help you create everything you need to get your first website online. You will get instant access to a free page builder, email opt-in form, online store, membership website, create own website, free training, and much more. Create own website free today using these free tools. What kind of tools do you need? To create own website free in 2022, you will need a web page designer, a domain name, hosting, and content for your free website. Beginners can be overwhelmed by all of the tools required to build a website for free, which is why this new tool gives you everything you need on one website builder platform. Create own website free for beginners. Beginners no longer need to learn coding or to pay for expensive subscriptions to create their own website free. Step-by-step Create Own Website free training is available for anyone in any country looking to build a website. Create Own Website Free is a drag-and-drop builder that lets you build your own site without code knowledge. Create Own Website Free has all the features needed to create a professional-looking site, including hosting and an easy-to-use content management system. Forget about having to learn complicated systems like WordPress or ClickFunnels. Create Own Website Free lets anyone design their own website using pre-made templates. Free online tutorials will teach you everything you need to know about creating the perfect site using the best software. Create Own Website Free platform. If you are looking for the best platform for creating a free website using pre-made templates or themes, use search ends here. Beginners and experts alike are raving about the simplicity of this new tool for designing websites. Create Your Own Website Free platform guarantees to get you online in minutes, even if you have never done anything like this before. No experience necessary. Designing websites has not always been easy. It took years for companies like WordPress and Google to make the process of building a professional website simple enough for anyone to do it quickly on their own. Create Own Website Free platform is the next step forward in the evolution of creating websites. One of the best features of Create Own Website Free is that they do not require any special software, coding language knowledge or IT degree blah blah. All you need is some creative energy and enthusiasm. Create personal or business websites with images, backgrounds, colors, themes, and logos, with just a few clicks. What is required to create Own Website Free? These days, there is only one tool you need to create your own website for free. It's called Groov, and it has all of the tools you need under one roof. You don't have to worry about buying expensive software just to try and get a working website. This intuitive website building platform for beginners will not only let you build a website for free, but you can create your own online store, online course, or even learn drop shipping, all without having to pay for software or tools. Intrigued? Here are some benefits of using Groov to create your own website in 2022. First, there is no need to spend hours trying to find tutorials or courses that explain the complicated coding behind websites. Groov's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it quick and easy for anyone to pick up, even if you have never built a website before. With their easy-to-use web design software, you can build your own website or online store without any knowledge of programming. Create your professional-looking website free in just minutes. Second, you don't have to worry about getting scammed by expensive professionals who will overcharge you for simple tasks every time something goes wrong. Groov has a helpful community you can join for free, right on Facebook. Steps to create own website free. Ready to get started creating your own website free? Here is what you'll need to do. Step 1. Create your free account here. Step 2. Watch the Create Own Website free tutorials and how to guides on James Jernigan's YouTube channel, which will teach you everything you need to know about building a site from scratch. Step 3. Start building your free site in Groov Pages. Step 4. Optimize your free website for SEO using the How to Rank method. Step 5. publish your free website and start getting free traffic from Google.